everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorial. And today's video is going to be about how you can easily change or reset your Gmail account password without any verification code or using your phone number or your email address. So you can easily use your mobile device screen lock and you will be allowed to change your Gmail account password. Also, for this method, you need not to know your old password. You can easily reset it without entering your old password, but the only condition is that you must be logged into your mobile device. So for example, if you are logged into your Gmail account, I will show you how you can do that. So here I am on my Gmail app and I am already logged into my Gmail account. So this is the most important thing that should be there to follow this method. You should be logged in, and if you don't remember your password, you cannot log in on a new device. For that, you have to reset your password. So I will show you how you can do that. Alright, so first of all, you just have to tap on the profile icon at the top right. From here, simply tap on manage accounts on this device, and here select the account that you want to recover or for which you want to reset the password. Once you are here, go to Google account and then go to security section. Now here you will get the option to change your password. Alright, so tap that. So now on this screen, you do not have to enter your old password as you do not remember it. You want to simply set a new password without using the old password, right? So what you need to do is simply tap on forgot password, and as you can see, you are getting a new option that says confirm your screen lock. Alright, so this is one of the options that you can use to change your password without using your old password, or you can even use your recovery email address if you have access to it. Otherwise, you can use your screen lock. So simply tap on this option, and this will ask you that for your security, Google wants to make sure that it's really you. So use your screen lock. Alright, press continue. Once you are done confirming your screen lock, as you can see that Google confirmed that this phone is yours. This helps to show that it's really you trying to sign in. So it means that if you want to change your password but you do not know your old password, or you do not have access to your phone number or recovery email address, but you are logged in on your mobile device, you can use this method. Otherwise, you cannot. Simply tap on continue. And there you are. You can now set a new password for your Gmail account, and you just have to enter it twice and press on change password. So that was it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you have any doubts related to this video or any video on my channel, do let me know in the comment section down below. And if you have any suggestions for my next video, you can also mention that in the comment box down below. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.